Okay, this video is about how to deca boot Freespire 4.5 with Windows 10 in UEFI. First thing to do here is to create a folder on the downloads here and name it Freespire. Then when you perform a search here, it's gonna come up this website here. This is the original Freespire OS. That one they bought on the second option here. Freespire is being bought by another company, so it's based on Debian and Ubuntu, and it came with Mate XFCE. So the website here is freespirelinux.com, and the Freespire here.org is the old Freespire. So they have the clicking around here. So I will make a video in the future about Freespire. I will download this one here in the future, but right now we're gonna talk. The video is going to be about the Freespire, the new one, the 4.5 released on December 20, 2018. Today is January 22, 2019. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna download here the SHA-256 here. I'm gonna save it to the downloads Freespire, where we created the Freespire here. We're gonna save there. Now we're gonna download the ISO. And we're gonna use the software that we're gonna use. I'm gonna have an introduction about Freespire. My next video is going to be I'm gonna use the Freespire 2.0 here, and the new one here, the 4.5. But with the tool that we're gonna use to verify the ISO is going to be this tool here. And to create the ISO, we're gonna use Rufus. We're gonna use Rufus. Also, to verify the ISO, we're gonna use 7-zip. 7-zip on Windows 10, you have the option to verify the ISO too. So I'm going to show how you can do that using the software here. So I'm going to pause the video here. I'm going to pause the video here while the installation is being downloaded. Okay, the download is completed, so I'm going to close this. So like I said, I'm going to use first the Raymond MD5 and share checksum utility to verify the ISO. Also, then I'm going to use 7-zip, install 7-zip. I'm going to show how to verify with 7-zip, and I'm going to use Rufus to verify the ISO. And first thing I'm going to do here is go to the folder here where you have the Freespire here. Open the SHA-256 SAM file here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna copy this here. I'm gonna copy. Then we're gonna open the MD5s here to verify the ISO. So what you're gonna do here, this is a MD5, this is a SHA-256. So just select the SHA-256 here, click browse, go to where you save the Freespire here, select the ISO. Save time, I'm gonna pause the video. So now just on the hash here, right click, paste, click verify, and you have to see this message here, SHA-256 hash match. Close. Now we're gonna use 7-zip. On 7-zip, here, go to the folder, go to the ISO, and then you go to, when you install 7-zip, it's gonna on the right, when you right click file, you're gonna have the option here on the 7-zip, and also you're gonna see the CRC share. Select SHA-256. Now what you have to do here, just compare here. Start to 00, 00F, 00F, ends with 574. So everything is right here. Everything is right. So now just close this. Now we're gonna open Rufus, double click yes, you close this folder. Now it's time to connect the USB flash drive. Click here, select. Close the folder here. Go to the Freespire. Select the Freespire. Here you leave the way it is here. You can install in BIOS or UEFI. We're going to install in UEFI. Click Start here. Click OK. OK. Minimize this folder here. Now I'm going to wait until it's finished creating the live USB. Okay, the disk is, the creation of the live USB is done. I'm gonna click close. Now you should have a backup of your files to external hard drive, and I have a bootable Windows 10 USB media to follow this tutorial. So make sure you have a backup of your stuff in case if you make a mistake. Now what we're gonna do here, we're gonna on the USB live USB here, we're gonna see the UEFI folder here. We're gonna be able to install in UEFI. So we're gonna reboot the computer with the USB flash drive connected, and you have to pay attention. You have to press, on my computer I have to press F12 to get to the boot screen. When you see a black screen, you have to press the key to get to the boot menu on the BIOS. Keep press the key until you see the logo of the computer manufacturer. Now you just have to do is select the SanDisk here. In this case I'm using the SanDisk USB flash drive. Boot the Freespire live system. So that's the live Freespire 4.5. To install it, you just have to double click on the install Freespire here, 18.04. So select your language, click continue. Select your keyboard type, continue. So I'm gonna download the updates here while I start doing the installation here. Click continue here. Okay, here you click something else, click continue. Okay, we already have the UEFI partition, already have the swap. We're gonna use the free space here. Just double click, then I want 10 gigabyte, which is going to be 2480 for 20 gigabyte, and the mount point here. Click OK. Okay, you can see here there is SDA 13, and it's gonna format the partition. Just click install now. It's gonna use the swap partition here. Is good. Click continue. Select your time zone here, click continue. Okay, your name, the computer name can be like a PC1, computer 1, notebook, laptop 1, kitchen computer, whatever name you want to give to it. And pick a username and password. I'm gonna pause to create mine. Okay, I'm gonna pause until the installation is finished. Okay, the installation is completed. I'm going to restart the computer, and I'm going to reboot. I'm going to restart the computer, and I'm going to remove the USB flash drive. I'm going to remove the USB flash drives. Okay. I'm going to restart the computer. And I have the flash drive here. Flash drive here. So, as you can see here, I'm gonna have to boot. I could boot with a live USB, but I'm gonna boot with the elementary OS here, which was the last OS that I installed, and I have to run update grub to show the Freespire on the GNU grub. I'm gonna log in to elementary OS. And we're gonna use the terminal, and I'm gonna use the command sudo update grub. That will add I tap the wrong word. So update grub. It will look for all operating systems installed, and we will add the Freespire to the GNU grub boot manager. So total is 10 operating system. So you're gonna show 9 there because I'm using elementary OS now. Okay, found the Freespire. What I see when I use the internet connection while doing installation, always there is a problem with the bootloader. Always, I recommend when you do the installation not use the internet. If I didn't use the internet, I didn't have to do this, just to to run the update grub. So I recommend that when you do the installation, do not connect to the internet. Okay, this is now I'm gonna reboot the computer. I'm gonna reboot the computer. And I'm gonna select Freespire. I'm gonna boot through Freespire. So Elementary OS and Freespire. As you can see here, Freespire is listed there. So I'm gonna boot to Freespire. Okay, this is the Freespire login screen. So I'm gonna log in. I will make a lot of videos about Freespire, about Linspire, about the old Linspire 2.0. I will make a video about it. So this video here is just to show how to install it. Eventually I will make a review about I'll make a video how to install software, how to customize the system, and I'm gonna do a review in the future, in the near future. Now I'm just gonna reboot the computer, and I'm gonna boot to Windows. So I'm going to boot to Windows. Okay, my next video is going to be how to 11 boot eLive 3.0 GNU/Linux with the Enlightenment desktop environment. If you like this video, please share, subscribe, and give a like, please. See you in the next video.